What's going on, guys? UnrealHero here, this time with a Razer product review. I have the 2019 Razer Basilisk Ultimate. Let's check it out. Alright, so I wouldn't be able to give you guys a very good review if I haven't opened it yet. And I have done that. I've had this for a couple weeks now. As with all Razer devices, this product is going to come very well packaged. As soon as you open the box, what you see is the charging dock as well as the Razer Basilisk Ultimate mouse itself. And underneath the packaging, you also get a paracord that connects to the dock as well as directly into the mouse, so you can have a wired or a wireless connection. One thing I really like about the charging dock is that the wireless connectivity adapter for the mouse goes straight into the dock itself, so you don't have to worry about having connectivity issues going through your desk, being plugged into the back of your PC, or anything like that. Connection is straight to the dock, which is right in front of your mouse pad. Real quick, I'd like to touch on the performance and functionality of the mouse itself. This mouse comes equipped with 11 programmable buttons, which you have 2 on the side here. You have an optional additional thumb button here that's also removable. And the mouse also comes with this handy little cap. It's a rubberized cap that you can fill this hole if you don't want to use that third thumb button. After the 3 side switches on the left side of the mouse, you have 2 additional switches on the top and the middle, and by default these are set as your DPI settings, but you can change these to be whatever you want. For a 6th and 7th button on this mouse, you can take the middle scroll wheel and you can go to the left or to the right as an additional button. You can also click the middle mouse button in, obviously, and you have your left and right clicks. On the bottom of the mouse itself, you have this little hidden compartment here that pops off where you can store your USB dongle in there. You also have a power switch over here on the left side that you can turn the mouse on and off. Above the power switch, you also have a profile switch, which when you press this button, it will switch between the different profiles that you have set for the mouse. This is for your middle mouse scroll wheel. You can customize the resistance that you have for the scroll wheel. So you can set it to where it's really easy to roll or where it takes some effort to roll it. Also, looking at the bottom of the mouse, it looks like Razer upgraded a little bit with the skates that come with the Razer mouse itself. The stock skates that come with the Razer Basilisk Ultimate are very comparable and very similar to the aftermarket Hyperglides that I had purchased for my Death Adder Elite. I really like this feature because it allows the owner of this mouse to be able to use this product right out of the box without needing any upgrade right off the bat. Now I'll tell you guys why I think this is the best mouse that Razer has to offer at this point in time. Currently, an argument can be made for the Razer Viper, which is a very popular and growing very popular mouse in the gaming world, especially FPS. And the reason I think this mouse is better than the Razer Viper is this mouse has all the same technology. It has all the same things that the Viper has in it, but it has the additional RGB lighting on the scroll wheel. You even have a small strip on the right side of the mouse, and on the thumb side of the mouse you have a longer strip. And there's 14 lighting zones that you can customize on this mouse, whereas the Razer Viper, you only get the Razer logo on it. Now both the Razer Viper and the Razer Basilisk Ultimate come with optical switches which actuate your button pressing at the speed of light. Both the Viper and the Basilisk also come with the new Focus Plus 20K optical sensor, which I can tell you right off the bat, I noticed a huge difference in precision with this mouse over my Death Adder, which is wired. This wireless mouse was far more precise and it was noticeable right out of the box. It did, however, take me a little bit, not too long, to get used to the shape of this mouse. It is quite a bit different than the Death Adder. So last but not least, I'm going to go over the lighting effects that come with this mouse. Obviously, you can add custom lighting effects and colors to your mouse, which you see I have here. Those who follow my channel know that I can throw down on some custom lighting effects for Razer devices. But I'm going to go over the stock lighting effects that come with this mouse and are also available on the charging dock as well. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this product review. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys are a Razer device owner, you're gonna wanna hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. I upload a video about every week. Usually they're Razer keyboard lighting videos, so you're gonna wanna be around to see those. As always, you can follow me on my social media accounts if you wanna get to know me a little better. But that's gonna do it for me. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.